Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. In this video, I'm revealing genius Amazon organizing finds that actually do what they promise. From your bathroom to your kitchen, these hidden gems will change the way you organize your space. Let's get started. Charging station. Tired of tangled cables? Never again. A charging station organizes all your devices, phones, tablets, smartwatches, in one spot. It keeps everything powered up and declutters your nightstand or desk. No more hunting for lost chargers. Valet tray. Keys, wallet, watch. Always losing them? A valet tray keeps all your daily essentials in one stylish place. Perfect for entryways, bedside tables, or office desks. Stay organized and never forget your must-haves again. 3-in-1 hair dryer holder. Messy bathroom counters? Not anymore. This 3-in-1 hair dryer holder keeps your dryer, straightener, and curling iron neatly stored. It saves space and prevents tangled cords. Your styling routine just got way easier. Say hello to an organized beauty station. Feet scrubber shoe. Tired of bending over in the shower? This feet scrubber shoe cleans and exfoliates your feet hands-free. Just step in, move your foot, and let the soft bristles do the work. A spa-like foot massage every single day. Stackable storage drawers. Maximize your storage with these stackable drawers. Perfect for closets, pantries, or under sinks, they keep everything neat and visible. No more messy piles. Just slide out a drawer and grab what you need. Great for small spaces and easy organization. Stackable storage drawers. Maximize your storage with these stackable drawers. Perfect for closets, pantries, or under sinks, they keep everything neat and visible. No more messy piles. Just slide out a drawer and grab what you need. Great for small spaces and easy organization. Clothes storage bins. Say goodbye to overflowing closets. These clothes storage bins are perfect for seasonal wear, linens, and extra outfits. Their sturdy design keeps dust out and makes stacking easy. Declutter your wardrobe and free up space instantly. Glass spice jars with labels. A spice rack makeover? Yes, please. These glass spice jars with labels make your kitchen look clean and organized. No more mismatched containers, just sleek, uniform jars that keep your spices fresh and easy to find. Sink topper foldable cover. Need extra counter space? This sink topper foldable cover turns your sink into a functional workspace. Use it for meal prep, drying dishes, or even as a cutting board. When you're done, just fold and store. So convenient. Shower door hooks. Add instant storage to your bathroom with shower door hooks. Hang towels, loofahs, or robes without drilling holes. They're sleek, sturdy, and a total game changer for small bathrooms. More organization, less mess. Basket cart. Storage that moves with you. A basket cart keeps essentials like laundry, toys, or pantry items neatly stored. With wheels for easy mobility, you can roll it wherever you need. Perfect for quick cleanups and extra storage. Cereal dispenser. No more stale cereal. This cereal dispenser keeps your breakfast fresh, portioned, and easy to pour. It's great for kids, prevents messy spills, and saves pantry space. Breakfast just got way more organized. Mop and broom holder. Stop leaning mops and brooms against the wall. This mop and broom holder keeps cleaning tools neatly hung and off the floor. Perfect for laundry rooms, garages, or behind doors. A simple way to keep your home tidy. Storage ottoman. A stylish way to store clutter. Yes, this storage ottoman works as a seat, a footrest, and hidden storage all in one. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or entryways. Function meets fashion in the best way possible. Cabinet turntable. Say goodbye to digging through deep cabinets. A cabinet turntable makes grabbing spices, condiments, or toiletries effortless. Just spin and find what you need in seconds. It's a small change with a huge impact on organization. Couch console. Turn your couch into the ultimate relaxation zone with this couch console. It holds your drinks, snacks, remote and phone all in one place. No more spills or lost remotes while binge-watching your favorite shows. Comfort and convenience, all in one sleek design. Branch Traceless Hanging Hook. Need extra hanging space without damaging walls? This 3-branch traceless hanging hook is your answer. Stick it on any smooth surface to hang bags, coats, or kitchen tools with zero drilling. A space-saving hack for every room. Yoga Mat Rack. Keep your fitness gear organized with this yoga mat rack. It neatly stores your mat, foam rollers, and resistance bands. Perfect for home gyms or small spaces. Your workout area stays tidy and your gear stays in top shape. Caboodle Kit. Throwback to the ultimate beauty organizer. The Caboodle Kit is back and better than ever. Store your makeup, skincare, or jewelry in this stylish and compact case. Perfect for home storage or on-the-go touch-ups. Drop your favorite in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart shopping tips.